Welcome to ASL Interactive. Getting started vocabulary and quiz. New vocabulary. Watch each sign, sign along, then engage with each quiz. Sign with me, sign, hello. Sign with me, sign, to sign. Sign with me, sign, to sign skillfully. What is this sign? How did you do? Keep going, you've got this. Sign with me, sign, to learn. Sign with me, sign, to practice. Sign with me, sign, now. Sign with me, sign, ready. Sign with me, sign, yes. Sign with me, sign, no. Match the signs with the correct word. You're doing great, let's keep that momentum going. Sign with me, sign, remember? Sign with me, sign, oh, I see. Sign with me, sign, immersion. Find the sign, remember? Every sign counts, you've got this. Sign with me, sign, cool. Sign with me, sign, see you later. Sign with me, sign, see you tomorrow. Match the signs with the correct words. Nice work, practice makes progress. Sign with me, sign, letters. Sign with me, sign, shapes. Sign with me, sign, colors. Sign with me, sign, categories version 1. Sign with me, sign, categories version 2. Sign with me, sign, fingerspelling. Find the sign, colors. Nailed it? Let's level up. Sign with me, sign, none. Sign with me, sign, not. Sign with me, sign, 0. What is this sign? Woohoo! Keep those signs flying. Sign with me, sign, I am, or me. Sign with me, sign, win. Sign with me, sign, lose. Sign with me, sign, tie, or equal. Sign with me, sign, to have. Find the sign, letters. If you got 100%, the ASL Fairy just added a star to your file. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, turn on notifications, share and subscribe.